Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quantity in Figma. First, let's set up our basic elements. Begin by creating a text layer, perhaps displaying the number 1. Next, design 2 small, interactive buttons, one for increasing the quantity and another for decreasing it. Group these 3 elements together to form a foundational quantity component. This initial setup provides a clear visual structure for our interactive element. Now, let's bring our quantity component to life with interactivity. Convert your initial group into a main component. Then, create several variants from this main component. Each variant will represent a different quantity, such as 1, 2, or 3. This approach allows us to define distinct visual states for each numerical value, making our component dynamic and responsive to user input. With our variants ready, it's time to prototype the interactions. Select the increment button on a variant and connect it to the next quantity variant using an on-click interaction set to change to. Similarly, link the decrement button to the previous quantity variant. This creates a seamless flow, allowing users to click and see the quantity update visually. Ensure smooth transitions for a polished user experience. Finally, test your interactive quantity component to ensure everything works as expected. Once satisfied, you can easily duplicate this component and use it throughout your Figma designs. This saves significant time and maintains consistency. Remember, you can always adjust the default values or styles of instances to fit specific design requirements, making your workflow highly efficient and scalable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.